Any of the sensors that didn't measure up to the ohm meter, I replaced, so they were really inexpensive, and that didn't fix the washing machine. So I ended up having to break down and buy a new controller that controls the motor. And it just arrived, so I thought I would show you the difference and what I found. Now, the original one looked as though the circuit board had burnt on the back side. The new one, when I compared it, doesn't have that, and I'll show you the stain that it left. These are the two circuit boards that control the motor and the plastic housing that they reside in. Now, the one at the top here, this is the old one, and you can see how the plastic has been burnt right there, which corresponds with the burn on the circuit board on that side. I put a circle in it so you could see it easier. And this is the new one. There's no signs of any overloads or burns on this one. So with a little bit of luck, when I install it, it'll be just fine. Now, neither the motor nor the motor controller are meant to be serviced. They're not designed to be repaired. There's no screws, for example, on the motor that you could take it apart. You can't see the brushes, anything like that. So the only thing I could do was put my probes in and test all of these connections here to see if there was continuity. Other than that, that's about it. My main concern is if there is something wrong with the motor, it might end up damaging this new motor controller. But if it's only the motor controller that's bad, then I think I'm in good shape. So we're going to put it all back together and see what happens. Well, I just put the motor and the motor controller in, and I'm happy to say that for the moment, it's alive! It's alive! It's working! I couldn't be happier. So now I won't have to be running up to the laundromat every week. Yeah, so there. That's how I fixed my washing machine. It turns out that by replacing all of those sensors that were bad and then finally putting a new motor controller in, that's what did it. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure we'll be back to this subject before long, because like I said, these things are junk.